This, my friend, is a story about the time when I went to hike Annapolis and Black Rock Trail in Maryland, a 7.2 miles trail which is part of Grand Appalachian Trail which is 2200 miles. It is 1st of May 2021 and we are still in the middle of pandemic, and I'm not sure when traveling will be back to normal, especially international. So back in 2020 I decided that I'm going to explore more natural places like this because it's not that crowded and it is one of the way to stay active. I found this trail very well maintained. When hiking on this trail, you first come across detour for Annapolis Rock, which is more popular than Black Rock Point because it's closer. But the view for both the places are pretty much similar. Only thing is, if you hike too little further to Black Rock, then it's less crowded. When you get to the end, you are rewarded with this amazing views. Overall, I really enjoyed this hike. I'll definitely come back and highly recommend to you if you get a chance.